could like sticky tape this thing down so it can't move, I could potentially take him back out and see if the basketball birds will come over and take care of him.
He seems like he's stuck. Why don't you move him?
He might just be settling in again. Just gotta be so careful. Well, we don't want you laying on your side, and we don't want you getting stuck. We don't want to do that. That'll help him move around a little bit more. He disappeared again. I think he's trying to just kind of tuck in.
Yeah.
Which he does after he eats. He likes to, it seems like he wants to tuck in.
Like that. Just kind of burrow into the corner.
No, because I think he feels warmer and safe there. If he